In this video, we will show you how to get PowerPoint design ideas with Designer. Designer is one of the PowerPoint tools that you can create beautiful slides using AI or using automatically design rather than using manual method. In here, for the requirements, you must have the right license of your PowerPoint or your Microsoft Office. In here, I'm using Office 365. Even with the blank presentation, the designer will work to create or to provide the ideas here. You can see, you can select the ideas you want. Very beautiful. And in here, I will create new blank slides and insert random logo. For example, I will select 6 random logo, and the PowerPoint designer will creating some design for me, and it's very helpful. Okay, you can see here, you can add your text and the designer will work. Okay, now with the different text, the different design will appear in here. You can see there, you can even creating the image or the slide with beautiful design using automatically design rather than using manual design. After the design like this, you can even change the design will look like. Okay, for example, in here, you can select picture format and select crop. In here, you can resize the circle and even modify the size of your logo here. And how to get the designer is main the topic of this tutorial. First, I will close my all PowerPoint here. I will create blank presentation and remove this. To add the designer, make sure this designer is active. You can access here, but usually this designer has been gone. To prevent that, you can right click in here, then select customize quick access toolbar and select all comments here. Scroll down and find the designer. After you find the designer, you can click add here and click OK. Now, when you don't see this designer here, you can just click this. Now, PowerPoint will store or will provide the design for your slides. Hope this will be helpful for you.